Hello and welcome to this video on Texthelp Read and Write for Windows. Texthelp is primarily a text-to-speech program and it helps with converting typed text to audio. In this, I'll be showing you how to use the text-to-speech feature as well as some of the tools built into the Read and Write toolbar. On opening Texthelp Read and Write for the first time, it'll appear as this floating toolbar. If you click and drag it around the screen, you can pin it to the left, to the right of the screen, or to the very top. So I'm just going to let the mouse go now, and you'll notice that it stretches the full length of the screen. So if you open up any other application and try and maximize that application, it'll still appear at the top. So to convert text to speech, you select the text in any program, whether it be Word, for this instance I'm using Mozilla Firefox, or even a PDF document, and click on the play button.
Founded in 1972, the Dyslexia Association of Ireland (DAI) is a charity which works with and for people affected by dyslexia by providing information, offering appropriate support services, engaging in advocacy and raising awareness of dyslexia.
So I'm just going to click stop. So while that voice was reading aloud, I could have pressed the up arrow to speed it up or the down arrow to slow it down. To read text that is locked within an image, that is, that you cannot select it word for word or line for line, Texthelp has a screenshot reader, which is the hatched box here with the arrow pointing within it. So when I click on this, my screen should dim and my cursor changes to this plus, and now I can click, hold and draw a box around what I want to read out loud and let go.
Readable project.
And that box will stay highlighted that I can either play that text aloud again or deselect that text. Read and Write can also convert any selected text to an audio file or an MP3. So if you select any of the text here, click on the speech maker or audio maker icon, which looks like a page with headphones set on it, click on it, and it will automatically pick up the text that you've selected. You can also add more text here or amend the text that you've already selected. There is a preview audio button to hear what it sounds like aloud.
The very best of luck and thank you to all the students.
Click on stop there. The output, so where the file is going to be output, so at the moment it's going to be output on my desktop, and a file name. So at the moment I'm going to give it track number 01 and name of article, and then you click on create MP3 to create this audio file. So here the MP3 has been created. I'll click on show, which should open up the destination folder, and here it is, 01 name of article. So I've double clicked this, it will open up in my Windows audio program, but you can also copy and paste this to your phone to listen on the go like that. So if I double click on this file to open.
The very best of luck and thank you to all the students, tutors, parents, guardians who have agreed.
So there's that audio file reading aloud. Texthelp Read and Write can also assist with your written work by improving spelling and grammatical errors. So this is the built-in check it tool, which is the first option here with the check it mark in it. So click on this, it should search this document for any mistakes. So it's picked up 3 issues with my writing here, so it gives a correction. Also it gives a list of suggested corrections on the left here that I can scroll up and down, and it also gives the definition of those. It also lets me read the definitions aloud, so if I click the cursor in here, click on play.
1. The video medium in general. We watched that on video. Synonyms: video, videoed, videoing, videos.
Okay, and that sounds right, so I'll click on that to correct it. And then it moves on to the next mistake. So you can see here, has the full sentence in context that I can also click in and click on play.
To make your document look professionally produced, Word provides header, footer, cover page, and text box designs that complement each other.
So yeah, that word did not sound correct in that sentence, so I can click on this.
Produced.
And click on this to correct it. So here it might pick up a few grammatical mistakes, so I can click on that to correct it as well. So there's my documentation corrected. There is also a sounds like checker built in, which is this ear icon, similar word checker button. If I click on that, because these aren't mistakes, the words are highlighted in blue, as you can see in the document behind. And because they are similar words, they sound quite the same when read aloud. So video provides a powerful way, so the way is in blue here, and my suggestions are way, or way. So if I click on the last one, for example, and click the cursor in to the definition, I can also read this aloud.
The watery part of milk. The whey is separated when making cheese.
Okay, so I don't really want to correct that, but I can move on to the next one if I wanted to. So I can add this word to the ignore list, or just ignore and move on to the next word. So you can see here the word to, picked up to, T-O-O, and the number 2. And so this is a great way of picking up instances of your or their and other similar sounding words that appear in your documentation. There's also a useful writing assistance to predict words that you're going to type. So this is the prediction tool here, which looks like a crystal ball. So clicking on it creates this new window, which I'll just move here. So when I click back into Word, I can see the cursor there is in Word. So when I start to type, you should see words that I can predict. And hovering over the word.
Type. Type. Types. Typed. Typewriters. Typewriter.
So
typewriter.
Any of those other words, I can press the function keys along the top to insert those words in, or click on the word.
Type.
To put them
in.
So this will predict words that you frequently use together and push them up the top in your writing, that you can use the function keys that are along the top of your keyboard, or click that word in. There's also a dictionary built into Texthelp, so both a dictionary and a picture dictionary, so great for visual learners as well. So if I click on highlight any word, could be within Word or a web browser, or Outlook or PowerPoint, any text that you can select, click on the book for dictionary, and it'll autofill that word at the top here. So you can see here also I have the advanced definitions checked, and I can scroll through here, click in any definition I want, click on play.
3. A sudden involuntary movement. He awoke with the start synonyms: startle, jump.
Okay, and that reads the definition out to me. There's also pictures at the bottom. I can expand on that, and it should show any linked imagery relating to that word. So start of a document, or the start here. So this has been a quick overview of the features of Texthelp Read and Write to read text aloud from any program, and to also proof your own written work. Texthelp do actually have 30-day trials available for both education and the workplace, so these links will be in the description of the video. So after clicking on Try Read and Write for education, or the workplace Try Read and Write for work, you'll provide your email address and you'll be able to download and try this for 30 days. So I hope this has been helpful, and thank you.